If you are serious about your photography workflow, you need the industry standard. Today, we are downloading the official version of Adobe Lightroom Classic for free on PC and Mac. We are skipping the sketchy third-party sites and going straight to the source to ensure you get the stable, malware-free version that actually syncs. I've dropped the direct link to the official download page right at the top of the description. Click that now to open the right tab, and let's get this set up. Once you hit that link, you'll land on the Adobe site. Ignore the marketing fluff and head straight for the free trial button, usually up in the top navigation or the main banner. Here's where people get tripped up. You'll see a few options. You generally want the photography plan. This is the power user choice because it bundles Lightroom Classic, the cloud-based Lightroom, and Photoshop together. Select that plan and hit Continue. Next, secure your account. Sign in with Google, Apple, or your email. Adobe does require a payment method to verify you're a real human, but here is the key. You will not be charged if you cancel before the trial window closes. It's a standard verification for professional software. Once you're verified, the Creative Cloud installer will be downloaded to your Downloads folder. Run that file. This installs the Creative Cloud desktop app. Think of this as your command center for all things Adobe. With the desktop app open, you need to pay attention. There are two Lightrooms. You want the one labeled Lightroom Classic, often abbreviated as LRC. This is the powerful desktop-based version. Find it in the list and click Install. Once that bar hits 100%, click Open. You now have the fully functional official build of Lightroom Classic ready for your edits, and you are done and ready for work. If you haven't grabbed it yet, the official download link is right there in the description. Use that to make sure you land on the secure page. And one last thing, if you want to supercharge your workflow even more, I've put together a free guide on the best AI tools for creatives. It's linked right below the software download in the description. Go ahead and grab that while you're down there. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.